Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boss, your go-to channel for leveling up your finances. Today, we're diving into something super fascinating, the hidden frugal habits of rich Filipinos. You might think being wealthy means splashing cash left and right? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Because the truth is, many truly rich individuals in the Philippines live by a surprisingly disciplined and, dare I say, frugal code. They're not just born into money. They cultivate habits that help them keep it and grow it. We're talking about habits that can totally transform your own financial journey, no matter where you're starting from. So, if you're ready to unlock some serious financial wisdom, stick around, because we're about to reveal 7 powerful secrets that could change your perspective on wealth forever. Let's get into it. Alright, let's kick things off with habit number 1. This one might sound basic, but it's foundational. They track every peso. Seriously, every single one. You might think, why would someone with millions need to track small expenses? But that's exactly why they have millions. They understand that wealth isn't just about how much you earn, but how much you keep. It's not about restricting yourself to the point of discomfort, but about being fully aware of where your money is going. Think about it. If you don't know where your cash is flowing, how can you ever plug the leaks or direct it to what truly matters? They use apps, spreadsheets, or even simple notebooks to log their income and expenses. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being strategic. It's about building a clear financial picture that empowers them to make smarter decisions, identify unnecessary spending, and allocate resources towards their financial goals. This meticulous tracking allows them to see patterns, make informed budgeting decisions, and ultimately grow their net worth more effectively. So if you haven't started tracking your finances yet, there's no better time than now to adopt this powerful habit. Moving on to habit number 2. They buy quality, not quantity. This is a huge one, and it often gets misinterpreted. It's not about buying the most expensive item just because it's expensive. It's about value and longevity. Wealthy Filipinos understand that investing in durable, well-made items, whether it's clothing, appliances, or even tools, often saves money in the long run. Think about a good quality pair of shoes versus multiple cheap pairs that fall apart quickly. The upfront cost might be higher, but you'll spend less over time because you won't need to replace them constantly. This mindset applies to everything from their personal belongings to their homes. They prioritize things that last, that serve their purpose efficiently, and that hold their value. This approach reduces waste, minimizes unnecessary repurchasing, and ensures that their resources are allocated wisely. They're looking for things that stand the test of time, both in terms of function and style, rather than falling for fleeting trends. It's about conscious consumption, making choices that align with long-term value, and reducing the environmental and financial cost of disposables. And now for habit number 3, which is incredibly insightful. They avoid brand flexing. They invest in assets instead. This is where the real mindset shift happens. You 1T often see truly wealthy Filipinos flaunting designer logos head to toe, or driving the flashiest cars solely for show. Why? Because they understand that flexing often means tying up capital in depreciating assets, things that lose value over time. Instead, their focus is on acquiring assets that appreciate or generate income. We're talking about investments in real estate, businesses, stocks, or even their own education and skills. They prioritize building true, lasting wealth over temporary appearances. They know that a luxury watch might impress some, but a well-managed investment portfolio provides real financial security and growth. This isn't to say they don't enjoy nice things, but their core philosophy is to put their money to work for them, rather than spending it to impress others. They often opt for classic, timeless pieces, or simply well-made items that don't scream for attention. This quiet confidence in their financial stability allows them to live authentically and focus on what truly matters to them. Let's dive into habit number 4. 4. They reuse and recycle. This habit is a testament to their resourcefulness and their understanding of sustainability. both financial and environmental. It's about making the most of what you have and reducing waste wherever possible. We're not just talking about separating plastics and paper, though that's definitely part of it. This extends to things like finding new uses for old items, repairing things instead of immediately replacing them, or even repurposing containers and materials around the house. Think about the humble garapon, glass jars that get a second life for storing food, spices, or even office supplies. This mindset conserves resources, both natural and financial, and prevents unnecessary expenses. It speaks volumes about a practical approach to daily living, where efficiency and longevity are valued. It's a quiet nod to their understanding that being wasteful is ultimately being inefficient and costing you money. They see value where others might just see trash, transforming potential waste into useful resources. It's a smart, eco-conscious, and budget-friendly way to live. Next up, habit number 5, and this one is crucial for true wealth building. 5. They live below their means even with millions. This might be the most counterintuitive habit for many, but it's a cornerstone of lasting wealth. Living below your means isn't about being stingy. It's about maintaining a lifestyle that costs less than your income, allowing you to save and invest the difference. Rich Filipinos often continue to practice this even when their income far exceeds their expenditures. They don't inflate their lifestyle just because their bank account grew. This discipline allows them to compound their wealth significantly over time, creating a robust financial buffer and opportunities for further investments. It means making conscious choices about their spending, regardless of their income level. It's about financial freedom and security, not about keeping up with the latest trends or societal expectations of what someone rich should be doing. They understand that true wealth isn't about how much you spend, but how much you keep and grow. This powerful habit provides immense peace of mind and the flexibility to pursue opportunities without financial stress. Now for habit number 6, which speaks to continuous growth. They read and learn daily about money. The pursuit of knowledge doesn't stop once you've achieved a certain level of wealth. For the truly rich, it intensifies. They are perpetual students of finance, economics, and business. They dedicate time every day to reading books, articles, market analyses, and listening to podcasts that deepen their understanding of money, investment strategies, and global trends. This continuous learning keeps them sharp, informed, and adaptable to changing economic landscapes. They understand that the world of finance is constantly evolving, and staying ahead requires consistent effort and education. This isn't just about reading financial news. It's about understanding the principles, the psychology of money, and how to make their resources work harder and smarter. They see knowledge as an investment that pays dividends, empowering them to make better decisions, identify new opportunities, and mitigate risks effectively. It's a habit that fosters growth, innovation, and sustained success in their financial endeavors. Finally, we come to habit number 7, which truly exemplifies a holistic approach to wealth. They give back because generosity keeps them grounded. This might seem paradoxical to frugal habits, but giving back is a profound practice among many wealthy Filipinos. They understand that true wealth isn't just about accumulation, but also about contribution. Philanthropy, charitable giving, and community involvement are often integral parts of their lives. This isn't just about tax write-offs. It's a genuine commitment to making a positive impact on society and uplifting others. Giving back helps them stay grounded, fostering a sense of purpose beyond personal gain. It reminds them of the broader community and their role within it. This generosity often extends to supporting education, healthcare, environmental initiatives, and disaster relief. It's a cycle of abundance. By giving, they not only help others, but also reinforce their own values and appreciation for what they have. It is a powerful habit that enriches their lives and reinforces a positive outlook on wealth as a tool for good. So there you have it. 7 incredibly powerful, yet often overlooked frugal habits of wealthy Filipinos. From meticulously tracking every peso and investing in quality, to living below their means and giving back, these habits are not about deprivation, but about intentionality, discipline, and a long-term vision for financial prosperity. Which of these habits resonates most with you? Which one will you start incorporating into your life today? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family who could benefit from this wisdom. And don't forget to subscribe to Budget Boss for more practical tips and insights on managing your money smarter. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Stay savvy, stay smart, and I'll catch you in the next video.